Hello, Rosa's Holiday Your Way enthusiasts. Here we are again with another unboxing of an incredible item from our Notions and Gifts box, the countdown this year for 2025. This is your last warning. If you do not want to see what's in the box, please, please, please close this video, shut down, go someplace else, and come back when you would like to see what we have in store for you. As we do each day, we're going to go through each item. I'm going to shake it like a kid in a candy store. We're going to bend it, twist it, and see if we can guess what's inside. And then I will tell you why it was selected for this specific item and for this specific box. All right, gang. So let's jump right into our next item. All right, so here we go. We've got our red polka dot bag today. This one's pretty flat. I don't know. It might be like a card, maybe. The clue says, "Good order is the foundation of great things." Good order is the foundation of great things. So I think either it's an order or it's a foundation. Perhaps it's foundation paper piecing. Perhaps it has something to do with order, and there's some organizing items in here. Like I said, it's pretty flexible. It doesn't have a lot of bumps. It feels like it might be paper, so maybe some stationery perhaps. I don't know. Let's go ahead and jump right in and see what we've got. Okay, so we're going to be unwrapping this bag and pull out. So what we have is we have the GEasy. Can you guys help me? Is that how you pronounce GEasy? We have the GEasy Quilters, Tools, and Accessories Organizing Stickers. And so it says this package includes 3 colorful sheets of stickers that feature 2 sizes of numbers and letters. And so this is, again, a thing that we saw demoed at H&H. And when we saw it, we loved it, because these little stickers are more than just little stickers. You are meant to put these little stickers, as the pictures show you on the back, on top of all your clover clips. So when you're clipping things together, you can actually put the identification on there. I know a lot of us will take the piece of paper and we'll clip it to the fabric and clip it all together. And then you've got all these little pieces of paper when you're done. And it's frustrating because sometimes the pieces of paper get thrown away like they're supposed to. They might jump into a new project and become part of that and become adopted and do a new thing. This is fantastic. They are sized perfectly to fit right on top of those clover clips. And when we saw it, that was like, that's a fantastic, cool little thing that we didn't know we needed, but we really, really want now. And I know once we start using this on our projects, we will probably never look back. So we included these for you guys. We thought they were awesome, and we hope you do as well. All right, enthusiasts, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed today's unboxing. Join us again tomorrow when we will have another fantastic gift. We're going to open it, we'll take a look at it, and we'll learn all about it tomorrow in our next video. That is all for us. Happy sewing, and we will see you soon.